everyone, welcome to the Grammar for TOEFL tutorial video. My name is Mary Warwo. I'm come from English Education Study Program. This time we will learn about nouns and pronouns, specifically how to choose the right pronouns in a sentence. I have prepared 10 practice questions, complete with answer and explanation. For each question, I will explain why the answer is correct and why the other choice are incorrect. So, let's get started. Let's start discuss our exercise. The first exercise, after a long day, I decided to treat myself to a relaxing bed. So here, we must choose the correct pronoun between I, me, myself to complete in the sentence. So, the correct answer here is myself. Myself. Why myself? Because myself is a reflective pronoun used when the subject and the object of the verb are the same person. Since I am both the subject who decided and the object who received the action treat. So reflective pronoun myself is required. And why I is incorrect here? Because I here is subject pronoun and cannot be used as the object of the verb treat in this sentence. And why me incorrect here? Because me here is an object pronoun. But when the subject and object refer to the same person, reflexive pronoun like myself, yourself, and etc. must be used for grammatical correctness. Next, continue the second exercise. The second exercise here, the committee members discussing the proposal among themselves for course. So, like the first exercise, we choose one of these, the third here, to what the correct answer in the sentence. So, the correct answer in the sentence here is themselves. Why themselves is the correct answer here? Because themselves is a reflexive pronoun used to indicate that the action is performed by the members on themselves, which is fits the meaning of the cassette among. Why they is incorrect because they here is a subject pronoun, but here the pronoun follow a preposition among, so a reflexive or object pronoun is needed. And why them is incorrect because them is an object pronoun, but it does not express the reflexive meaning that the member discussed among their own group. The third exercise. The third exercise here is she, her, hers, and John are responsible for organizing the charity events. So here, let's discuss this sentence. In this sentence, the correct answer is she. The correct answer is she. Why she? Because she is a subject pronoun and since it part of the compound subject, which is John, it must be in subject form. And why her is incorrect? Because her is an object pronoun and cannot be used as part of the subject. And why hers is incorrect here? Because hers is a possessive pronoun and cannot function as a subject. The fourth exercise. The new car belongs to we, us, ours, not to them. So, the correct answer in this sentence is us. Why us? The correct answer here. Because after the preposition to, an object pronoun is required. Us is the object pronoun that fits here. Why we incorrect here? Because we is a subject pronoun and cannot follow a preposition. And why ours incorrect here? Because ours is a possessive pronoun that stand alone and cannot follow a preposition. The fifth exercise. My brother is taller than I, me, myself. So the correct answer here is I. Why I? Because the sentence is a comparison with the implied verb. My brother is taller than I am. Therefore, the subject pronoun I is correct. So why me incorrect here? Because me an object pronoun and does not fit in a subject position in a comparison. Why myself incorrect here? Because myself is reflexive and inappropriate here because the pronoun is not reflecting back to the subject. The sixth exercise. The children quickly ate all the candies they or their parents had given blah 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 day or we choose two, the correct. There are in this part they or their, and the second part is here they or them. So I want to say to you, the correct here is their, and the second correct here is them. Why their is correct here? Because their is possessive adjective modifying parents, indicating ownership, and them here is the object pronoun, the correct object of the verb had given. Why they? Why they? Incorrect here because they is a subject pronoun and cannot modify parents, nor serve as an object here. The second exercise. The team celebrated blah 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 its or their victory, and the coach congratulated blah 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 its or them personally. Friends, like exercise 6 before, we choose to correct or complete this sentence. The first in here, its or their, and the second here, it or them. So, the correct here is it, and the correct here, it. Why it's here correct? Because team is a collective noun treated as singular. So singular possessive adjective it's. So it here is correct. And why it correct here? Because the coach congratulate the team as a single entity to singular object pronoun it. So it is correct. And why them and their are incorrect? Because these are plural from or do not agree with the singular collective noun team in the context. The A exercise. My friends and blah 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 we decided to prepare the dinner blah 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 us or ourselves. Friends, the correct answer here is I, and the correct answer here is ourselves. Why I? Correct answer here because I is the subject pronoun, correct as the part of the compound subject. And why ourself correct here? Because ourself is the reflexive pronoun indicating the subject did the action on themselves. And why me incorrect here? Because me is an object pronoun, not suitable as a subject. And why us here incorrect? Because us is an object pronoun and cannot be reflexive. The 9 exercise. He told blah 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 she or her and blah 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 I or me that blah 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 he or him had finished blah 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 his or him project. So friend, we must choose for a correct here. The correct here is her, and the correct here is me. The correct here is he, and the last the correct here is. And why her, me, he, his the correct here? Let's discuss step by step. Her and me. Why her and me correct here? Because her and me are object pronouns, correct, as object of told. And he here, he is the subject pronoun for the class. And his is the possessive objective modifying project. And why she and I incorrect here? Because they are subject pronoun, not object here. And why him incorrect here? Because him is object pronoun, but the clause requires a subject. And why him here incorrect? Because him is cannot modify project. The last exercise. The teacher asked the student to introduce blah 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 they or themselves to blah 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 each other or one another. So the correct answer here is themselves, and here is each other. Why themselves here correct? Because themselves is reflexive pronoun. Correct because students perform the action on themselves. So why each other correct here? Because each other is the standard reciprocal pronouns used for mutual action between two or more people. And why they incorrect here? Because they is a subject pronoun and cannot be used reflexively here. And why one another incorrect here? Because one another is less preferred. Each other and one another are often interchangeable, but each other is more common in this context. That concludes my explanation of 10 questions about nouns and pronouns to prepare for the TOEFL. I hope you now have a better understanding of how to choose the right pronouns in a sentence. Don't forget to keep practicing and pay attention to the context of the sentence. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.